Alright, here we're doing a heater core on a 2004 Nissan Maxima. I wanted to show you what you got to do in order to do this job. The heater core goes here, and you got to get all that stuff out behind the dash in order to replace this heater core, because it's in the back, not in the front. A lot of videos show that this heater core is in the front. But let me show you. You got to take all the seats out. You got to take the center console out. Okay. Once you get the seats out, a lot of things will start getting a lot easier to take out. You got to disable. You got to drop that steering column. You don't have to take it off the steering rack, but you have to at least drop it down so you can get this part out. You see, this part hinges on that side over there. It hinges. Let's see. It hinges on these pivot hooks. See, there's one there, and there's the other one right there behind that connector. See that? So this is where the evaporator goes. This is where the heater core goes. You see, that's the expansion valve. Nissan Maxima 2004. You got to pull this. I had to pull the intake up to get to these heater hoses back here, because there's no way to get to these hoses because you can only see one, you can't see the other. So these heater hoses were hell to get off, and a lot of videos showed that these were made with plastic, but they actually were metal on this vehicle. So as you can see, it's a Nissan Maxima 2004 model. See, Maxima Nissan Maxima 3.5. They're all 3.5s, but I'm just showing you what you got to do. These right here, these pillar columns, these just, you got to pull this way first, and then they pop off on both sides. So I'll give you an update on this when we get done with it. Maybe I'll make another video to show putting it back together process. And you let me know. Please leave me a comment, like or dislike or whatever, any questions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.